How can I stop Flash from leaving full screen mode when it loses focus due to a mouse click in the other monitor? On a multi-monitor system, if I'm viewing a full screen video in Flash on one monitor, clicking the mouse on the other monitor causes Flash to leave full screen mode and revert to normal size. What's the easiest way of preventing this that works on my version of Flash? My system is Flash 10.10.0.12.36 in Firefox 3.5 on Windows Vista 64, but I think it affects all current versions. This is very annoying behavior, but unfortunately, according to this bug report response, it seemed to be a security feature rather than a bug. We understand that many users would like full screen on one monitor and to be able to interact with your OS on another monitor. However, due to security requirements, we require that Flash and browser must be the current focus of your OS.
One of the comments in the link bug report thread refers to this YouTube video, giving the following instructions on how to hack the Flash DLL to work around this. Note: I know, this sounds like a really bad idea. I haven't tried this, my Flash DLL is the wrong version. And it's quite possible that this may have nasty side effects such as introducing a security hole or breaking your system. If nothing else, back up your DLL before trying this. That said, here's what the video says. You need a hex editor and Flash Player version 10.0.1.28 or 9.0.124.0. If you don't know what a hex editor is, cop out now. Open at pswf32.dll. It's usually at c:\system32/windows/macrosmedia/flash/npswf32.dll. If you use Opera, it's probably at c:\program files/opera/program/plugins /npswf32.dll. Go to this hex address. Version 10, 0x136340, version 9. 0xC1487, if the number here is 74, change it to EB. If the number isn't 74, you've gone to wrong address, or you've got the wrong version of Flash. So these instructions won't work for you. Please post in the comments if this works for you. No abuse though if this causes your computer to catch fire or your dog to explode.
Try running the browser plus Flash in a VM that's capable of full screen mode. VirtualBox is a popular, free option. This is a fairly absurd workaround, but it looks like it should work, and this solution doesn't do anything to risk compromising security or breaking your machine. On my machine, it doesn't quite work though. I can switch Flash to full screen in the VM, but the video freezes as soon as I do so. However, I think this is due to a graphics issue with my VM, since video is choppy on there anyway. Please comment if this works for you.
Install Flash Game Maximizer Firefox plugin. This URL, maximize your Firefox window and press F12.
For YouTube videos or other services that have a similar embed feature, simply click Share and Embed. Grab the iframe URL, https://youtube.com/embed/$video_ID, and navigate to that page. The video will use the full window, then full screen your browser.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.